Hi everybody. Today we are going to be making buttermilk bread. It's on page 55 of the book that we've been going through. This is one of the breads that I've probably made 100 times. It's a really good sandwich bread. If you're trying to get a bread that replaces the bread you might buy in a store, this is probably one of the best ones to do it with. So please remember to like my video, subscribe to the channel, click on that bell icon so that you know when I post new videos. And I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. So here we go.